SLC is a student-led conference. It is an event where students become teachers and showcase their learning to everyone.
Respected one and all, my name is Sastra from 5th class. Today I am explaining about types of teeth. There are 32 teeth in adults and 20 teeth in children. Teeth are hard structure found exclusively in all vertebrates. Some invertebrates have analogous teeth, but they are quite different in their structures and function. There are different types of teeth in humans. There are 4 types of teeth in humans: canines, incisors, premolars, molars. 4 canines, 4 lateral incisors, 4 central incisors, 4 first molars, 4 second molars. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Munish Chanakya. Today I am going to tell how blood groups are determined. Our body has antigens made up of sugars and proteins on our cells, including the blood cells. Which antigen you have in your body finally determines your blood group. Your blood type is inherited by your parents' genes. There are 8 main blood types: A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O negative, O positive. There are 2 types of antigens which determine your blood group: A, B. A blood type has A antigens, B blood type has B antigens, AB blood type has both antigens, O has neither of them. The negative and positive refers to your Rh type. Mouth, and this is the saliva gland, which we get saliva from it. And this is the bladder, and this is the liver. This is food pipe. The food transfers to stomach with the help of this food pipe. And this is the stomach, which all the food will be stored in it. These are the pancreas, the shape like rose leaf. This is the large intestine, which we have connected to anus. And this is the small intestine. Our food nutrients transfers into nice. Our food nutrients transfers from here, and this is the appendix. Our food nutrients will be stopped here. And this is the rectus, which we will be have middle of our large intestine. And this is the anus, which is connected to large intestine.
Hi teacher and sirs, my name is Kanika. I am studying in 5th class. My topic is layers of earth. We know the earth is like a round ball. It is covered with water bodies like rivers, lakes and oceans. We also see soil on the earth, which helps plants to grow. Each layer of the earth is a different thickness. 3 layers surface of the earth like a crust mantle core. Thank you. Bye bye.
The skeleton consists of both fuels, endure bone support, and by limited muscles, and it serves as which support organ, muscles, and protect organs such as the brain.
In expanded form, you take one number, count the place value, that is crores, lakhs, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Now I am taking one number, 1, 23, 14, 5, 6, 9. Now you expand the number, 1 crore, 20 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 4,000, 10,000, 569. In standard form, the number is in expanded form. Now I am telling the number 5 crores, 60 lakhs, 7 lakhs, 8,000, 6,564.
Hello, my name is Nityasri from 3rd grade. Now I will tell you how to write normal form to expanded form. Step 1. Count the number of digits. 2, 3, 4. Step 2. Then draw place value box accordingly. Now fill the box right to left. Step 3. Write the expanded numbers in the place value box. This is the way of writing expanded form. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Suhana Dubey. I am studying in 3rd class of Gradewood High School. Now I am explaining ladybug reproduction. Ladybugs are a type of beetle. Some ladybugs did not have spots. Some ladybugs have 20 spots. Ladybug gives eggs on a leaf. Ladybug eggs are yellow in color. They change to white color. Ladybug can live 1 year. Bye. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nicole Pritkar. I am studying in 3rd class. Today I will tell you about reproduction in animals. Reproduction means giving birth to young ones. Reproduction is very important process for all living beings. Animals give birth in different ways. They also grow up in different ways. So we can say that different animals have different life cycles. We learned 2 main ways of giving birth. First, giving birth to young ones. Some animals giving birth to young ones directly. Baby grows in mother's tummy. For examples, elephants, tigers and lions. Second is laying eggs. Baby is growing eggs. For example, hens, butterflies and birds. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Arlene Singh. I am in 3rd class. Today we are learning ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. 401 is smallest number. After smallest 402. 402. After 403. 403. And 404. 404. And 405. It's 407. 407. 408. After 409 and descending order. Descending order means big number to small number up to 210 is biggest number after 209. 209 208 207 207 206 206 204 203 202 over. Bye.
Learn well, think deep, do good, be leaders.